Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Flow and you will click in this window. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.